So today we'll start about what is machine learning. Machine learning is a programming computers to optimize the performance by using the previous data, that is an history data. So till now what happens in the computers, we are able to store the data, access the data. But now what we can do is from the data which is stored in the system, we can able to analyze it, assess it, the previous data and predict the future data. So for example, to predict the rainfall for today's rainfall, what we can do is we can see the previous history, that is previous history of 100 days, all the parameters, all the features, for example, weather conditions, the cloud conditions, temperature conditions, all these conditions we can see and we are able to predict the future data. That is nothing but machine learning. That is, we have a model defined up to some parameters. Parameters are nothing but the features. And we start learning these features and try to optimize the parameters of the model. That is, optimize the parameters means the best features we start extracting. So there may be a temperature, there may be cloud conditions, weather conditions, all these parameters, multiple, there may be 100 parameters. Among this, we take only few parameters, analyze it, and based upon the past experience, what we do, we start predicting. We make the predictions in the future, what may happen. So all this previous data, what we say, we call it as a training data. The previous history, what we collect, or the past experience what we collect, we call it as a training data. And this past experience or the training data we use for prediction in the future, what may happen. Previous history happened, the information is collected and we are able to predict the future data. There are multiple applications. The applications are finance, it may be applied in banking, fraud detection, stock market. It may be applied in manufacturing, medicine, it can be applied in telecom. There are multiple applications. Still in detail we see in the next. Next, let me explain you about the difference between AI and machine learning. I think in the previous one minute, I'll show you the difference between AI and as well as machine learning. What is AI? AI, it is not a system. Yes or no? AI is not a system, but it is implemented in the system. Means it is nothing but ability to understand or think similar to human. So for example, if I show an apple to a baby, what it will do? If I show 2-3 apples and say, see, this is an apple, what it will understand now? Now these are the features of the apple, which is round in color, red round in shape, red in color, and says that it is an apple. Next time if I show the same apple, it will say it is an apple. So next time if I show orange and start saying that, see, it is orange in color, it is a circle in shape. Say next time if I show the orange, it will say it is an orange. Means now artificial intelligence means we are able to implement or build a model or build a machine that human contain. Build a machine that human contain. So that is AI. What is machine learning? It is an application of AI. Means machine learning algorithms start learning from the previous history and starts predicting. So one more thing we have to analyze it. Machine learning, it is not explicitly programmed. Means suppose for example, if you go to a shopping website, okay, and you may be visiting Netflix, or you may be visiting all the different e-commerce websites. And suppose if I buy a pencil, usually next time immediately it will show a recommendation, you buy a rubber. How it is done? It is based upon the previous history. Previous customers have done the same thing. If I bought the pencil, they bought the rubber. Okay, similarly different items. Are we writing different programs for different customers? No. Okay, we are not writing different programs for different customers. Means if there are thousand customers, we are not writing 1,000 programs. Okay, so here it is nothing but analyzation of the data and then predicting. That's all. So we are not writing explicitly. So for example, addition of two programs means C is equal to A plus B. Like this explicitly we are not writing. It is done by the based upon the analyzation and then analyzing and then making the decision. So it is the essence of machine learning algorithms that give the computers the ability to learn from the data and make the decisions. Decisions are automatically made and predicted. So this is machine learning. If you can see here if you can see the picture, so this is a structure: artificial intelligence, then machine learning is a subset of AI, deep learning is a subset of machine learning. So this is a structure of entire learning system. Okay, so artificial intelligence, it is tries to mimic the human intelligence based upon some decision rules, machine learning. And this machine learning uses some techniques that is called, we call statistical techniques, based upon the past experience, able to predict the future data. And deep learning, it is composed of algorithms, okay, and permit the software to train itself to perform the task like speech recognition. Okay, and it is a multi-layered network. Okay, this we will be seeing in the next chapters. So next is, what are the different examples or ML applications. I'll post in the next video.